Everyone. Thanks for stopping by to watch this video today. So this is Sophie here from Alive Fit and Free. I think I saw a lot of you on our last Explore and Experience event. So today I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about something new that we've launched that hopefully you can start using and enjoying, and that is our community forum. So as you know, we've really been wanting to build a space where it's very easy for all of you to connect with each other, even outside of classes, have a space where you can chat, find support, find encouragement among a really non-judgmental, supportive community. And so we have launched a community forum to see if we can start doing that. So this is the very start of what we hope to build for you. But we just wanted to launch something where you can start chatting, start getting used to it, see what you like, see what you don't like, and let us know all of your feedback, because that will just help us build a better community for you to connect in. So our community forum is part of our website. So our website, if you can see up here at the top in this bar, this is the web address. So it's alivefitandfree.com. So when you go to our website, this is the first page you come to, okay? This is our home page, and you can tell because the home up at the top is pink and the other titles are black. So you can tell we're on home. So what I'm going to do when I come to this home page is I'm going to scoot to the right. So you have our classes, and then you have adventure community. So this is just what we've named our community at Alive Fit and Free. So most of you are already going to be signed up when you're watching this. If you're not signed up, you can just click on sign up. If you are signed up, you can go ahead and actually you could click on any of the last three options. They're all going to take you to a login form so you can go into your account. But because I want to go to the community forum, I'm just going to click on the last option, which says community forum. So I've clicked on that. And because the community forum is only for members, right now I'm not logged in, so I can't access it. So what it's telling me is this content is for members only. So I have two options. I can log in or I can join now. So I've already registered as an adventurer, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. And this is what most of you will do as well. So just go ahead and select login. And you can see up here this little spinning icon. That means it's loading. Great, so now it's brought me to the login page. So I have something else on here which fills it in for me. But for you, it's going to show up blank. Okay, so we have two boxes. The first one is for your email address that you've used to register or your username. And the second one is for your password. So let's go ahead and type in your username. I'm going to type in my username that I've made for this demonstration. Then I have a little handy thing that remembers all my passwords for me, so I'm going to use that to fill it in. You'll just go ahead and type in your password here. Okay, and if you don't remember your password for whatever reason, you can just click on Forgot Password right here, and it'll actually just take you through the password recovery process. So that's not a problem at all. Once you've entered your username and your password, you're going to go ahead and select Login. And again, I can tell it's loading. Okay, so once it's done loading, the other page will show up. Great. So it's taken me directly to the community forum, which is great. So here I am at the community forum. So what is a forum? A forum is a place where you can come and chat with other people, right? But it's not just unstructured chats. Rather, the chats are very structured in different topics. So on this page, each of these blue headings in capital letters, that is a specific forum, okay? So the first forum we have here is Welcome to the Community Forum, start here. And then we have another forum that's called What's Happening. We have another forum that's called Live Challenges. We have another forum that's called Advice and Support, Food and Nutrition, Fitness, Interests and Hobbies, and we've put one on called Let's Have a Laugh. So these are all, you can think of them as different rooms that you go into for different discussions, right? And each room has a different topic area. So when you come to the forum, the first thing you'll do is you're going to click on Welcome to the Community Forum, start here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now, under each forum, you're then going to have topics. So this forum, this is the title of the forum here, Welcome to the Community Forum, start here. That's the title of the forum, of the room that you're in, right? And then within each room, you can have different groups of people discussing different topics, okay? So you can have different conversations happening in the same room. And that's what the topics are. So this is one conversation that's happening, and for now there's only one. There's not very many people in the room yet. However, you can have 10, 20, 30 conversations happening in this room, all relating to getting started with the community, right? So here I have, underneath the title, which I remember we said this is the title. Now we have what looks like here. What is this, right? Okay, so this tells us where we are, okay? So I'm going to just click off of it so you can see the actual words. So we started at home, and then we came to community forum, and now this is the forum we're in. Welcome to the community forum, start here, right? Now, what is the purpose of this forum? That's what we have here. We are so happy you joined the community of Alive, Fit, and Free Adventurers. This forum is for you to introduce yourself to the group, learn how to use the forum, and get to know other adventurers, okay? So there's one conversation happening in this forum right now, and it's under the topic, October 2020 new members, introduce yourself. Now, what happens if you want to start a new conversation? You can do that. That's not a problem. All you do is you come down here and you see under topics, it says create new topic, okay? And topic means a new conversation, right? And so it would be whatever you would like to talk about. That's what you're going to put in here. So you'll have a title, and the title is what is going to display right here, right? So let's say I want to start a new topic called Adventurers in Arizona. And then that's going to be my title. And actually it's going to be a question, so I'm going to put a question mark. And then in the body of the topic, so this is just telling people what exactly I want to talk about in this conversation. I'm going to say, hi there, I would like to know if there are any other adventurers in Arizona. Let me know if you are out there. Okay? So actually, I'm going to start a new conversation about whether or not there are any other adventurers in Arizona and for them to introduce themselves to me. Okay? So I've typed my title here. I've typed my body here. This checkbox, notify me of follow-up replies via email, will let me know if anybody has responded to me. It will send me an email. If you do not want that, you can just simply uncheck it. Okay? For this purpose, I'm just going to leave it checked. And then I'm going to press submit. Okay, so now I'm adding a topic. I'm starting a new conversation. And you can see here as it's going in circles, it's loading. Great. So now we can see that we have two conversations happening in the room called Welcome to the Community Forum, start here. So I actually would like to go into this conversation, October 2020 new members, introduce yourself. So I'm going to click on the title of that topic. So we can see it's loading, great. So now I've come into the conversation bubble of October 2020 new members, introduce yourself. So now I'm in a specific conversation, right? In a specific room, which is Welcome to the Community Forum, okay? So what I can see here is the original conversation starter, right? Which is the topic. So this was the conversation started. The title was October 2020 new members, introduce yourself. yourself. And this was the message, right? As the adventurers community slowly grows, we want to get to know each other. Introduce yourself here. Let us know your name, where you are joining us from, what you hope to get out of the adventurer community, what your goals are, and anything else you want us to know. Welcome to the adventurers community. Okay, great. So I'm part of this conversation. I'm in this conversation. So I would like to reply and be a part of this conversation. So I'm just going to scroll down. And now it says, reply to October 2020 new members, introduce yourself. So this is where I'm going to put my contribution to this conversation. So I'm simply going to click anywhere in this box, this text box here, okay? And this is where I can type my response, okay? So I'm just going to start answering the questions. So, hi, my name is Sophie. I'm just going to scroll back up to remind myself of what I need to write down. Okay, where am I joining from? I am joining from Belgium. Okay, let's scroll back up. What do I hope to get out of the adventure community? I am excited to connect with other individuals around the world that are looking to improve their wellness and learn about other cultures. Okay, so that's just an example of what I would be hoping to get out of the community. What my goals are. My goals are to start exercising at least 5 times a week and start eating healthier. Okay, so that's just an example. Your goals can be literally anything you want, any type of goal you have. This is really a place where we support each other in everything, not just health, not just fitness, but life as well. So really put down whatever your goals are there. Anything else you want us to know? I will put down my interests. So I'll say my interests are dogs and waffles. Okay, that's just something fun to put down that maybe I want other people to know. So I've typed this here. Now you can see that up at the top of the text box I have all these options. So this is very similar to Word. I don't know if you've ever used Word, but if not, I'll just run you through it. So this button will make text bold. So if I would like to make this word bold, I can just highlight it with my mouse by clicking on my left button and dragging over the word and letting go. And then I'll come up here and I'll just press bold, okay? The same if I would like it italicized, right? So now it's bold and italicized. This is for a block quote. I don't expect us to be using that very much, and this one as well. What we might use, though, is the bullets. So let's say I would rather list my interests in bullet points. So instead of this, I'm just going to backspace, and I'm going to say my interests are, then I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to select on the bullets here. Oh, there we go. Now we have a bullet point. Dogs, enter, waffles. Okay, so you can put bullets in there and then press enter. If you want to stop using the bullets, you just press enter again. Okay? And you can also use numbers instead of bullets if you'd like. You can do different alignment, align to the left, align to the center, align to the right. I'm going to go ahead and show you what the insert edit link does. So let's say you have a personal website and you would like to link to it in your introduction. So you can do one of two things. You can either type, like we see here, this is my website, and you can just type it in. So I would just type www.alivefitandfree.com, and then I have the web address there. Another option is I can select the word website, and if I click on this insert edit link paperclip button, it will bring up a box for me to actually enter the website that I want to link that word to. So I can go ahead and type it in this box. And you could also copy paste if that's easier. Either is fine. And I'm going to go ahead and press apply. And now you can see that this word website has turned into a little button that's it's blue and it's underlined. So that means I can click on it and it will take me directly to the website I've linked. I can go ahead and delete, oops, went a little bit too far. I can go ahead and delete that web address that I had there. So now it's nice and neat and pretty. If you need to use it, feel free. If you don't want to, that's also fine. So the last thing that I will show you is how to insert a picture. So you can actually insert a picture on any topic or reply. So you're just going to go ahead and click on Insert Edit Image. I'm going to go ahead and click on that there. And then you see a box has appeared. So it says Source. It has an empty box here, and then it has a file with a magnifying glass. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And you can see it's opened up the folders on my computer, which this is a very messy folder. Apologies for that, but I'm just going to go ahead and select a picture, open, and you can see it says please wait, so I assume it's loading. Okay, so we're just waiting for it to load, and now something has happened. So this is what will happen is you'll just see a link here. And I'm not going to fill in anything else. That's really all we need. So I'm just going to go ahead and press OK. And voila, there is our photo that I have just uploaded. And a good thing to note is that this photo will upload wherever your mouse cursor is. So if I had left my mouse here, it would upload here. So just keep note of that when you're uploading, okay? So I've finished my reply. Okay, this is really my introduction of myself in this conversation that I'm in. I've answered the questions. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down. I do want to be notified of any replies via email, so I'm going to leave this checked. If you would like to uncheck it, feel free, just like that. I'm going to go ahead and leave mine checked. And then when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and press submit. And we can see that there's a little button going around in a circle there, so that means it's submitting, it's processing, and there we go. Now it's taking me back to the topics in this forum, and if I click on there, I'll see the submission that I just put there. So I'm just gonna walk us through the overall forum list one more time. So you can see I just clicked on Community Forum, and it's going to take us back to the forum list. So you see the one that I was in was the Welcome to the Community Forum. So that's where you'll start. You'll introduce yourself. You'll go in there to welcome other members. And the next one we have is called What's Happening. So that's really notifications about events or classes or experiences that we think will be interesting for the community. Also if you have an event coming up, if you know of a virtual book club or whatever it may be, and you would like to share with the community, please share here under What's Happening. We have live challenges. So this is where we'll, from time to time, have live challenges going. So we actually have a plank challenge starting on November 1st. So we'll be sharing a daily challenge in this live challenges forum. If you'd like to follow along, you can also post when you've completed your daily challenge, encourage the other adventurers with you in the challenge. We have an advice and support forum. So this is any type of advice or support you would like to ask for. Anything related to that you can post here. Anything related to food and nutrition goes under this forum. Fitness under this forum. We have an interests and hobbies forum. And we have a Let's Have a Laugh forum. So this is really anything happy, funny, stories you would like to share, bring a little happiness to someone's day. You can post that here. This is just the start. So any feedback you have, we would love to hear it. Any other forums you would like us to add, other topics you would like us to discuss. All of your feedback is so valuable for us because we've created this for you. So hopefully, you can start using the forum and letting us know how you like it and how we can improve it for you. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.